Now the AND operator or logical operator in SQL server is used to combine two or more conditions in the where. Now that we understand the where clause, so it allows you to retrieve the rows that satisfy all the conditions that we've specified. So if you have multiple AND conditions, a row must meet all of those conditions to be included in the result. Let's Given the tables that we've created previously, or the database that we're actually using, let's use the AND operator to fetch specific data. So let's say I want to select employees with a specific salary and department. So to do that, we will say select first name, and then perhaps last name as well, and the salary. This must be a comma here, salary, from employees, and then we can say where salary is greater than 50,000 and department is sales. Now this query selects the first name, the last name, and the salary of the employees whose salary is greater than 50,000 and who work in the sales department. Sometimes we want to find, let's say we want to find products within a price range and specific names. Okay, so to do that, we can say select product name and price from a products where a price or where price between a 10 and 20, and you can see there I'm using multiple ends to find different things, and all of these must actually be true in order for this query to return result. Where product name, like, so let's say it starts with product or ends with product A. Now if we execute here, then we can actually see that product A. So what happens is that this query it fetches the names and the prices of products whose price is between 10 and 20, and the product name ends with A. Okay, so the product ends with M. So if we put a percentage symbol before, that means it ends with. So if we put it after, it means it starts with. So you must just keep that in mind. Now, let's say maybe we want to retrieve orders within a date range and maybe specific status as well. I'm just gonna comment these. Now we can say select a order ID, the spelling of order, and then of course order date, and then from orders table, and then where the order date order date is greater or equal to, actually I think this comes it's the way around like this. Then we can put our date 2023 01 01, and order date is less or equal to 23 12 31, and status is shipped. So in this example, we actually selecting the order ID and the order date of the orders that were shipped between within the year 2023. So if we execute, then we can actually okay, my date there is a problem. Let's execute, then we can actually see the products that were shipped during that specific period. So these are just the examples that demonstrates how the AND operator is used to narrow down the search result by just combining multiple conditions. So all of the conditions are joined by the AND. They must be true. So meaning everything that is joined by the AND, it has to be true for the row to be included in the result, just making it a powerful tool for precise data retrieval in SQL.